My name is Tim Fulkerson. I'm with Sukut Construction. I've been underground construction for 20 years. I've been with Sukut for 10 years. The polymer manhole bases, the biggest benefit that I find with them is they take away liability when you're in a neighborhood. So like I've touched on earlier, having to do traditional manholes where you're leaving manhole boxes in a residential neighborhood, one of my primary roles is to, engineer out any kind of liability. So being able to set a manhole, backfill a manhole, and be done with a manhole in the same day is essential. 3 to 4 times quicker than a traditional manhole. So where you would normally be setting pups, sandbags, adjusting manholes, find and fall. So the fall is engineered in the manhole base, which takes out all the guesswork. So you're basically just making grade for the bottom of the manhole with rock. Takes a couple of minutes. The base goes in, shafting stacked, backfilled and done. When I first heard that I was going to be using polymer manholes, I expected something thin, something that looked like T-lock, a fragile based manhole shafting that was susceptible to, indents or caving. I was pleasantly surprised to see that they look exactly like a concrete shafting manhole. I'm actively pursuing for all of our sewer jobs to be polymer for multiple reasons. The speed of a manhole, they're a little tricky at first figuring out how to make grade and establish the grade, but it's a simple process, and once you have that established, we can get through, we can get to a manhole, set a manhole, laid out of a manhole and backfill in a manhole with probably 20-25 minutes. I would just like to say that I recommend them. If you're in charge of control and safety, you're in a residential neighborhood, this is something that's going to be a huge asset to you. Armorock's great to work with. The deliveries, working with the guys in-house has been flawless. It's been a massive help. Traditionally, you have outside sources bringing in your shafting after you've poured the base. It's coordinated directly from us to Armorock. It's been staged. Everything's been set out perfectly. No complaints. I would highly recommend, if you do sewer for a living, it's absolutely worth a shot. If you try it once, I guarantee you'll be looking to use them again.